5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Okay, countdown. To count down, a verb. A countdown. Yeah, this is where you count downwards to 0. It's the act of counting backwards to 0, particularly for the launch of a rocket. Yeah, the final countdown. But we can use this also metaphorically, meaning the period of time leading up to an important event. So I guess in a month or so, we will begin the countdown to Christmas. Yeah, okay, the countdown, the time before something happens. Yeah, the preparations, the activities carried out or that you do before something important happens. So we're now in the countdown to the party. Okay, the last period. Yeah, the countdown indicates the amount of time left, technically, before an event or an operation or something that happens. Yeah, but effectively you're counting back. Yeah, but most common, it's this period of increased activity before a deadline. So I still haven't finished my essay, and the deadline's tomorrow. This is really the final countdown. Yeah, the time that I have left. Yeah, before this happens. Okay, so a countdown. Effectively, you're counting down from something. You can have a digital display with the numbers ticking off. Very often you see this in advertising campaigns or things like that, and you see the numbers counting down. Yeah, 9, 8, 7, 6. Yeah, and that is your countdown. Yeah, so I'm going to count down from 3. 3, 2, 1, go. To count down again. So yes, it can be somebody actually saying out the numbers like that, or it can just be this period before something happens. A countdown timer, a timer that is counting the time down until something happens. Yeah, this is where the countdown to begins. Yeah, the counting downwards. It's the period of time leading up to an event. So my daughter is counting down the days until her birthday, for example, to count down to something. Yeah, or you have one of these advent calendars where you open the days running up to Christmas, and this is like a countdown as well. Okay, so you're counting down from something. The countdown. I guess they also, when I was a kid, I'm not sure so much now, they used to use this for the charts, for the songs that were the most popular. And I think it was on Sunday evenings they used to play the top songs of the week, and they used to count down from number 20. Yeah, and at the very end of the program you'd get the number 1. So it's the countdown. You're counting down to something. I guess NASA were going to launch a rocket, but they had to pause the countdown various times because they had various different problems. Okay, so, but normally in the countdown, people are running around frantically trying to get things ready. Yeah, and the countdown is probably more stressful. I'm thinking about students in the countdown to their exams. They're studying frenetically. So formality. This I would give a 5 in formality. I think you could use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, well, you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4 down from a particular number. From French, compter, to count, which actually comes from Latin computo, to compute. Yeah, so you're counting. Compute, count, well, they're sort of similar-ish. So take care. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Countdown.